Ready to transform your landscapes from blend to breathtaking with the PolarPro BaseCamp filter system. First, let's unpack everything you should have: the base adapter, your variable neutral density or VND filter, a polarizer, and any additional ND filters you've chosen. Start by screwing the base adapter onto the front of your camera lens, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. This is the foundation for the entire system. Next, grab your VND filter. This filter allows you to control the amount of light entering your camera, crucial for achieving proper exposure in bright conditions or for creating motion blur. Carefully thread it into the base adapter until it's securely attached. Now, let's add some polarization. Take your polarization filter and screw it onto the VND filter. Rotating the outer ring will allow you to control the amount of polarization in your image, reducing glare and enhancing colors. Now for camera settings, switch your camera to manual mode. Start with a low ISO, like 100, to minimize noise. Adjust your aperture for your desired depth of field. Y0 for landscapes, typically between f8 and f11 is a good starting point. Use the VND filter to adjust your shutter speed to achieve the desired exposure. You can also stack your ND filters if you need to reduce even more light. Remember, slower shutter speeds create motion blur, perfect for silky smooth water or cloud movement. Rotate the polarization filter to enhance colors and reduce reflections. Watch the live view on your camera or take test shots until you achieve the desired effect. Experiment with different filter combinations and camera settings to find the perfect look for your scene. The PolarPro BaseCamp system offers incredible flexibility to elevate your landscape photography and videography. Now go out there and create something amazing.